No under the hood. My damn phone. Let's see. My baby. She playing. You see she playing now. Woo. Oh, look at my boy. He's sitting there chilling. See him. She playing now. She is playing. You see him up there chilling, man. Look at him. Look at him. What you got going on, man? Yo, we at the Petro, man. Effingham, Illinois. Petro. Son, dude, I'm finna go in there, get something to eat.